Good morning, class. This is your teacher, Miss Neema, and today we are going to do the chapter How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. This is from the book Honeysuckle, and this is chapter 2. This is the online class of class 6. So, dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. So once their dog was very much of their own masters. They did not need any masters, okay? Means Malik. Okay, they were free like wolves and they used to go in the forest, okay? Wander in the forest. But once what happened? There was a dog who was very sick of himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. Very ill pleased means old fashioned way. This that dog thought that not being master, not having a master was an old fashioned, okay, because he was very sick of him by himself, for he had to look for food and was frightened means to get scared, or in Hindi dar jana, by those who were stronger than him, okay. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So he thought that uh, by alone he had to find for food, and he was always scared that uh, because they were stronger than the dog, okay, and he was scared that some animal stronger than him will kill him or injure him. That's why he was always scared, and he thought of finding a master. Master means in Hindi Malik, okay. And uh, and he, uh, yeah, and he decided to become someone's servant, okay, who is much stronger than him, okay. And he went out to find for his master. He walked and he walked, and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf, who was as strong as he was fierce. Kinsmen's kinsmen's mean old fashioned word for relative, okay. So he found his his own kind of species, okay, uh, but it was much more fierce, okay. That was a big wolf. Fierce means violent, okay, frightening, more threatening kind of, okay. Have you seen wolf in TVs, in Discovery channels? They are more frightening kind of, big with big teeth, okay, sharp teeth. So he found a wolf, okay. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So the dog was going for the search of a master, and there the wolf saw the dog, and the wolf is asking now to the dog, where are you going? So the dog is replying that he was looking up for someone to find a master, and the dog is asking, would you be my master, okay. I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. So now what happened is that wolf is agreeing upon what the dog asked or questioned, okay. So they agreed to become his master. They walked, they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. So while they both were walking, the wolf and the dog, what happened? All of us, wolf lifted his nose, okay. They had the wolf have a very strong smelling, okay, strong sense of sniffing, okay, or smell, power of a smell, okay. And he The wolf quickly went on a hiding in the bushes, okay? And the dog was here. Darted means moved quickly or suddenly, okay? So the wolf smelled something and he quickly went into the bush to hide himself, okay? And now the dog was surprised. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so?" So the dog is surprised as wolf is hiding into the bush, okay? "Can't you see there's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me?" So the wolf is saying that, you dog, you can't see there is a bear, okay? Bear means bhalu, okay, in Hindi. So, and the wolf is saying that the bear might eat up both of us. Seeing that bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. So what happened is that now the dog realized that the bear was much stronger than wolf, and the dog decided to leave wolf and become the master of the bear, okay? To become the master, okay? To become, oh sorry, not to become, to become the servant of the bear, and to make bear the master. Now what happened? The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." So seeing the dog, looking at that he had found more stronger than the wolf, okay, he took up, he now moved on to the bear to become his servant, okay? And bear also agreed to become his master, okay? And they are both now walking to find a cow so that they can kill and eat. For now, I'll teach till here. Next class I will be continuing with this chapter of the explanation, okay? Okay, stay safe. Thank you.